Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for July 3rd, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, the FDA cleared Vertex Pharmaceuticals Orkambi for patients with cystic fibrosis who are at least 12 years old and homozygous for the F508del mutation in the CFTR gene. CEO Jeffrey Leiden said the approval of the twice-daily oral therapy, which combines Vertex Kalydeco with lumacaftor, represents a fundamental change in the treatment of the most common form of cystic fibrosis. In addition, GlaxoSmithKline, through its joint venture ViiV Healthcare, entered into an agreement to allow China's Sanofi Pharmaceuticals to manufacture the active pharmaceutical ingredient in its HIV drug Tivicay. Under the partnership, Tivicay is expected to be sold at a discounted price in China. Also featured, Japanese regulators cleared Gilead Sciences combination therapy Harvoni for the once-daily treatment of chronic hepatitis C virus genotype 1 infection in adults with or without compensated cirrhosis. Gilead's chief scientific officer Norbert Bischofberger remarked that with cure rates of up to 100% and without the need for interferon or ribavirin, Harvoni offers genotype 1 infected patients a high likelihood of cure. In other news, Boehringer Ingelheim's Spiolto Respimat was approved in the first European countries as a once-daily maintenance treatment to relieve symptoms of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease in adults. The approvals were based on data from the Phase 3 Tornado 1 and 2 trials involving more than 5,000 patients with COPD. And finally, Sanofi's next-generation basal insulin Lantus XR, which is marketed as Toujeo in the US, Europe, and Canada, gained Japanese regulatory approval for the treatment of type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Pierre Chancel, who heads Sanofi's global diabetes division, commented this first approval in Asia adds to the momentum of an active launch here. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.